Hi, welcome to this channel. My name's Oliver and today we're gonna have another trading session on Quotex with binary options. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you like the content and like the videos, leave us a like and a comment in the commentary section. In the description to this video, you will find a lot of useful information. It's gonna be the link to the Quotex where I trade, and also it's gonna be a Telegram group where you can see all the different indicator explanations if you're new to this thing, and signals and all the useful information. So check that out as well in the description to this video. And also there's going to be a promo code, of my personal promo code for you guys for Quotex to make the deposit and get the bonus. So without wasting any more time, let's go to the video straight away. Yes. Today is going to be a MACD indicator, and we're going to start with $7 today. So it's different. Usually we start with $1 or $5. Like, we're going to start with $7 because it's a bit more now, and it's just a bit quicker to get to some higher numbers. You've seen that it works already, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to use MACD indicator, and that's it. Maybe we'll put one more indicator. I'm just gonna see which one to put this time. Let's have a look. We're gonna stick to 1 minute, so let's put a zigzag as well. Okay, so $7, 1 minute, and we're gonna go with this currency. And we're gonna go with, I'm looking at call option, put option here actually. Although for 1 minute is pretty short, maybe we can get a, and we have our first profit, guys. It's $13. Technically it's $6, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna go for next option here. Okay, so this is looking good. This would be another, we're gonna go with $13. We're gonna go with a put option this time, and let's see. So guys, now we have $24 on our balance already. So it's, as you can see, it's a bit faster to get our profit. So now we're gonna go with, so basically from $7 we already tripled it, and there you go, $24, and we're gonna go with another. We're gonna check out this currency over here, USD, and what's that looking as? So as you can see, it's going to go up. Looking at the zigzag, we're gonna see a rise here. So we're gonna go with a, see, it's still going down there, but it's gonna go up, so we're gonna go with the call option here. 1 minute, let's see. So guys, we have a profit here of already $45 on our balance, and this is from $7. So we already made like triple, and it's 20, so we made 6 times more already. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with this one here, and I see the indication is that it's rising actually. The MACD is showing that it's rising. The zigzag also is pretty much showing that it's rising, so we're gonna go with the call option here. $45, 1 minute, let's see. Guys, we have already on our balance $84. So Right, this is just from $7 obviously, and you can see that this strategy is working. We just have the time frame of 1 minute and we're making really good profit with just these short trades. And if you know the basic technical analysis, I always say that, but it just for if there's new people here, to repeat that, in the Telegram group there's a lot of useful info, or in YouTube in general there's a lot of info on different indicators that you can check out and and then use for your own trading sessions. Here I use what I learned at some point and keep learning. I mean, there's a lot of new info coming in all the time, different patterns and the stuff I learned as well. And with on some of the big channels about trading, about crypto, about just general trading, not only binary options. So yeah, do check that out. There's a lot of them there, explaining how it all works and all the different patterns, etc. So yeah, I think it's worth checking out. And as well, we have videos on those as well. Actually, here I'm gonna do a put option quick while I'm talking. So yeah, 1 minute and we'll see what happens with this one. And this is another profit, guys. $152 already. So 153 in total, and we just started with, again I repeat it, but $7, which made us in 10 minutes $147. So right, next one we're gonna go with a different option here with a different currency. Ooh, this looks pretty good actually. Ooh, we're just gonna wait a second here. Just want to see. So maybe it will go down now. So maybe it's a we'll go with the call option. I hope in 1 minute, see, it starts going down, but I hope in 1 minute it's still not gonna go down so much, so we'll see. All right, 1 minute, guys. Profit again, 283 on our balance. We just had a nice profit, and it was 84% payout. So you see how it works, and it grows exponentially. So after having after having a larger amount for each option, it just grows massively as you start getting some bigger numbers. So right now we're gonna go with $280 for an option at 8. Obviously the 84% will be the payout for this. So let's have a look. This one is tricky, but we're gonna go with the call option here, because 1 minute it should grow still. The zigzag is showing that it's still growing, so let's see. Guys, it's a nice profit of $250 approximately. So 527 total on our balance. So we're gonna go with 520, and we're gonna place another option, and you see how that starts growing just amazingly. So okay, well, this one gotta be the call option for sure. Actually, maybe this is the, I mean, if I had more time, maybe a few minutes, I'd definitely go with the call option. But here is, oh, actually it looks like it's growing. No, it's still going down, so we're gonna go with put option and see. Hopefully it will still go back down a little bit. Okay, 520, 1 minute. Let's see. Okay guys, we just had a profit again. $974 on the account. So we're gonna go with 970 now, 950. I'm gonna go with 970 and we're gonna place another option. So you see the strategy is working like this. Obviously you need to know the indicators and be able to read the graphs, read the indications, and sometimes it's pretty hard because sometimes it doesn't work out. But here, notice here how I made this option just automatically, because like while I talk, I mean I see, and it works best actually, while I talk I see some indications there. The zigzag was going up, as you see, and now I made a put option, meaning that it's gonna go, price is gonna drop. So this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna, okay guys, so this was a great profit. Here we have $1,801 on our balance. This was a massive payout just now. Notice how it grows exponentially just with every time. The bigger it is, the maximum here is 1,000. We're just gonna make two options now of 900. So we're just gonna divide 1,800 into two options so we can make, okay, this is a good one, 1 and 2. So this is a good opportunity here. You see the zigzag is showing us that the price is going to be dropping for a while. Okay, 1 minute, let's see. Guys, we just had both of those played out. $3,367, and it's absolutely amazing result. Now we are able to place three options at a time of 1,000 each, and this is what we're gonna do. So let's see which one. This one, it looks okay, so we're gonna go with the call option here. I would go, if I had time, I would go with a call option, but the price is dropping. Okay, well, let's go with the call option. I hope there's enough time. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now it's going up. So yeah, 1 minute. Let's see. Alrighty guys, each one 1,800. This was 87. So each of those made us 1,800. We're gonna make a few more, maybe 3 or 4 more options. Should I go with this? Actually, this is pretty good. I could make some call options here again. So see, yes, the zigzag is actually showing us that it's growing now. It's volatile, it's going up and down. Although this is, let's just check this one out. Okay, oh, that's not a bad one actually. This is just a good one for a put option here. Just about to cross. It's just crossing the other line. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well, 4 is enough. The payout is going to be 1,840 each. So let's see. Let's wait. Oh guys, we just had massive profit from all of 4 of those, and the total now is $9,127. We just made $9,120 from those $7. You see, 25 or so minutes, 26 minutes, and it made us a fortune. Now this, I'm gonna stop here, but I've made videos where we didn't stop, we pushed further, but this is what happens. Today we started with a bigger number just to save a bit of time, and but just to show that it works. Check out the Telegram group and just learn for yourself how to read those indications, and then just use it in your trading. Nobody else can make the decisions for you, so you gotta learn how to do it, prepare, and then you can do your own sessions. Right now, you can watch me doing these sessions, and maybe you learn something, maybe you see the graphs and which decision I made at a time, and maybe that's going to be helpful. But also, yeah, check out the description for the Telegram group, for the Quotex link to be on this platform, and then the promo code, my personal promo code for you guys. You can use that for making a deposit and get a bonus at Quotex. So yeah, I'm gonna stop here. If you're still not subscribed, consider doing so. If you like the content, if you like it, do like it as well. Press a like and leave us a message if you have any questions or suggestions on how's your experience with Quotex and stuff, you know. And yeah, good luck, have fun, and goodbye.